Hey, what's up guys? I hope you're enjoying the build. Still just tearing everything down. Sorry if it's a little monotonous, but that's how these things go. We're just gonna keep pressing on. So here we go. Probably should have labeled some of this as I was disconnecting it, but I didn't, so I'll probably get a wiring diagram and figure this stuff out later. Cut on her. Just need to grind off his last metal pieces. Might be able to pry them off. Plastic securely around any items that may be sensitive to water and are not already sealed, such as the distributor, air filters, intake systems, carburetor, electronic controls, and electrical components. Looks good. mess, but she's way cleaner. Sorry about the compressor noise, I know it's annoying. Oh, so much better on this side. I couldn't get the wire brush down in there, so had to blow her out. Hey, what's going on, guys? I just ordered some coilovers yesterday. I also ordered a bushings kit, so all these suspension bushings can get swapped out. They are all garbage and cracked and decayed. Oh, wait, where is it? Wait for it. Oh, there it is. So all those are gonna get swapped out. I also ordered some rotors and some brake pads. So we'll get all that swapped out, so we'll be in better shape when we get the engine in.